Hi, I'm Caitlin Wilkinson. My U number is U87067750, and today I am doing an assignment on Tableau where I have a database full of 200 people. They are male and female with their age, the relationship status, how many children they have, the southern states that they live in, their preferred cold beverage drink, how many cold beverages they drink in a day, and where they like to drink their preferred drink, either like on the go, at home, at an event, at work, and their favorite sparkling drink. Okay, so for our first graph here, we have the number of preferred cold beverages a day. So in this one, it explains the list of preferred cold beverages that we have in our database, the amount of beverages people in the database drink a day, and then where the states that drink them. So, and how much so you can see here that Alabama, for diet carbonated drinks, they drink on average like 3 beverages a day. And then over here you can see for iced tea in Tennessee, they drink about 3 iced teas a day. All right. And so for our next one, we have the most important reason for carbonated beverages from people with children and their relationship status. So you can see we have the reasons for drinking these drinks are for convenience, packaging, hydration, and refreshment. And then we have the people, their relationship status, whether they're divorced, domestic relationship, married, single, or widowed, and the amount of children they have. So people who are divorced and have 4 children, or people who are divorced usually have 4 children and prefer convenient packaging or hydration. Looks about the same. All right, so our third graph explains the number of preferred cold beverages in which state and their preferred drinking location. So you can see in Alabama, they prefer drinking at home, and they drink about 3 drinks a day at home. And the same thing goes down for everybody else. It's just different. Like in Louisiana, it's about split up evenly, amount of drinks they drink in a day, whether it be on the go, at work, for events, or at home. And it continues. So on our dashboard here, we have all 3 graphs. So if I click over here, let's click on Mississippi and unflavored sparkling water. So I click on this. You can see how it brings up Mississippi down here, and how people who drink unflavored sparkling water drink more of that on the go, and they drink it because it's more refreshing, as you can see over here. So let's go and pick something else. Let's click right here. Let's do iced tea from Louisiana. So people in Louisiana usually drink iced tea more at home, and they drink it for hydration. All right, what else do we have? Let's just pick a small one. Sugar carbonated drinks. So Tennessee now. Tennessee usually drinks sugar carbonated drinks. Looks like it's even for at home, on the go, and at events. And they usually drink sugar carbonated drinks for hydration. And that's basically what this database shows. You can also click down here. Here, let's get out of this. We can click on the states down here. Let's go with Georgia. People in Georgia drink on the go diet carbonated drinks, sparkling water, iced coffee, iced tea, mostly on the go in Louisiana or in Georgia, and then mostly for refreshments. So yes, thank you.